Welcome back, guys, to the next episode of our restoration from the Nissan Skyline R34 Gtr. This is the fourth part, and finally, after a long time, we are back in the paint shop. No, not with this car. It is this car, the legendary R34 Nissan Skyline Gtr. So finally, after a long time, I'm standing again next to this car to prepare and to talk about the next steps with the paint guy. And because so finally everything is done, okay? They take again a look to the car, they take a look to the work that we already done, and they find some issues that we did wrong, but they fortunately, luckily fix it, okay? And as you see, the engine bay is already ready to be painted. They took also the side windows out of the car, and I'm so glad that they made it without to break it, because that was a real big struggle. That thing's cost in the meanwhile each side 1,000 francs, even a little bit more, depends on where you live in. And we're talking about to take them out to really have a nice, clean painting without any lines, which was previously the problem by this car. And I'm so happy they made it. But they decide for the front and rear windows to keep it into the car, because the risk is too high. They could be damaged, okay? And if that happens, that costs again a lot of money, a lot of time. And they say to me, don't worry, we will take care about it. We will lift it a little bit up, as you see here, because this is flexible, and we will paint it underneath. And for myself, that's fine. So if a professional guy say to me, that's the way we want to do it, and don't care, it will look perfect, so let's go for it, okay? So, as you see, the next steps, the following steps will be to prepare the whole car, take the door out of the car, because everything needs to be painted, also here inside. And they also finally mixed the right color. Okay, let me explain to this really shortly, okay? So the condition of this car, when it was on the street, was wonderful. For that, how old this car is, really no scratches, no damages, just a little bit, a small band here that still is visible because they, until now, didn't take care about it. But the rest was so great. But when you clean it, when you wash it, you realize here and there are some different color matches. There was a different nuance between left and right, or doors and roof, etc. Okay, so because the car was already partially repainted, let's say it like this. So, and then they mixed the new color, the very, very famous Bayside Blue TV2, and show me how it should looks like. And it is exactly like this, and I really love it. It looks so fresh, it looks so deep, and it looks a little bit reddish compared to that what we have here. And this is exactly that what I want to have on this car. It looks like it is wet. So this is the color that car will be covered in, and I cannot wait to see that. I really cannot wait to see that, because I think that will look so great. And this Bayside Blue TV2 deep blue redly, it's such a great color, okay? So luckily they take care about everything. They take a final look, and they didn't find any other issues, so I'm glad about it. But one big struggle still is in my head. I really struggle with that already the last 2 weeks, and this is the engine bay. Okay, let me explain it really shortly about the engine bay from a Nissan Skyline R34 Gtr. So those cars leave the factory, doesn't matter which color you order it, the engine bay was always black, okay? This is how they leave the factory. But the last 8 months before they stop the production of this car, they decide to go for the same color like the car. What means, if you choose a Bayside Blue, that means also the engine bay will have the same color. Same story by the Midnight Purple, same story by the Millennium Jade, whatever. So, and this car is one of those cars who has still the black engine bay. It was, I think, 3 months later, after his production, they switched it to the Bayside Blue engine bay. Okay, so you already know it. Okay, my question is that, and I'm really glad if you can write me in the comments, what would you do if this was your car? What should I do? Should I also paint it OEM, which means it will still matte black, or should I switch it to the OEM Plus style, which means we will also repaint the whole engine bay in the same color like the car. Again, in this wonderful Bayside Blue TV2, the whole engine bay with that reddish, oh, I love this engine, RB226, you know it, the original color, it is red. Then we have the HKS exhaust pipes, which are polished, and I think if we have the Bayside Blue engine bay, it has such a great contrast with the whole thing when you pop up the hood, when you take a look to the whole engine and how it looks like. So in my eyes, I think I will go for the engine bay in Bayside Blue, but I'm not sure, so I'm really glad if you can help me. Let me know in the comments, what would you do if this is your car, which color you would choose, and maybe I changed my mind. Let's see. Yeah, all in all, this is a small update about the Nissan Skyline R34. Next steps are next week. They start to repaint the car. They start to take out the doors, so everything will be perfect. They will paint it everywhere. And we also talking about these original stickers in Japanese, which is really important to have it, because I want to have it as much as possible original, you know. But they say to me, don't worry, we will try to order it. We will, if it's not orderable, we will try not to reprint it. So we will find a way to keep them again on the same spot. And I think on the other side is also something with another sticker. We will take care about everything. So I'm glad about it. So stay curious. Next update comes in the next 2 or 3 weeks. We will see some photos, some videos, and hopefully in the next few months I can come here again to visit the car, finally fully freshly painted in this wonderful color. Also the bonnet, which is carbon fiber. I decided I want to keep it in the same color like the car, because I think, I mean, let's be honest, I'm 42 years old, and I think this is something that doesn't fit anymore to my oldness. I want to have it more serious, you know. It was a nice time, those times when you play video games on Need for Speed Underground or whatever, but I think now I want to have a Nissan Skyline with the bonnet in the same color, which really has a fitment and looks nice and gives a little bit more this seriousity to the car, you know what I mean? So yeah, all in all, we will see us in the next video. Bye bye.